Dad, are we in position? Dad?
Yes, son. Pressing start key now.
Good. We're on our way. I have to beat it. I have to be there when it happens. Actually, 3D printing could take a long time. So I must get there in slow motion. Oh no! Once this meter reaches 100%, we are doomed! But there's probably nothing to worry about now. It's counting up pretty slowly. But before you know it, it's going very quickly. The countdown will begin in any minute. 10 seconds to explode. We have to follow the safety rules. Hurry! 9 seconds. Crawl! Quickly! I'm not so good at this. 8 seconds. Maybe I need to check it again. Run if you're too slow. 7 seconds. No! We might trip and fall because the whole room's starting to shake. 6 seconds. To the bed! Must get there. 5 seconds. Well, I guess this is the end. Show's over. Wait, there's still 5 seconds left to do something. We have to do it now. 4 seconds. Get to the door. Wait a minute. This isn't a big explosion. 3 seconds. We're just waiting for this 3D printer to finish. 2 seconds. Yeek, this is gonna be so exciting. 1 second. The 3D printer is finally back. Hooray! See you next time.